Listen to me. We need to have a very honest, completely uncensored conversation about the current state of AI video. Right now, every single day, I see creators, agency owners, and side hustlers trying to build faceless channels or create AI influencers, and 99% of them are failing miserably. Why? Because their content looks amateur. The characters look like plastic mannequins, and worst of all, the character's face literally changes every time the camera angle switches. Let me put on my marketing hat for a second and give you a reality check. If you are trying to build a brand, sell a product, or get sponsorships, nobody is going to hand you their credit card if your content screams glitchy AI. You cannot build trust with a shapeshifter. But then you scroll through TikTok or YouTube and you see these massive, hyper-realistic AI influencers pulling in millions of views. Flawless character consistency, perfect lip syncing, cinematic lighting. They look so real, you have to check the comments to see if it's an actual human. How are they doing that while we are stuck in Discord for 5 hours mashing random words into a prompt box only to get a character that looks nothing like our original concept? I kept seeing this one specific community popping up everywhere. It's called the AI Video Bootcamp by Daniel Riley. It is currently sitting as the #1 ranked AI video and image course on the entire Skool platform, with around 18,000 active members at the time of recording this video. And the wildest part? The part that made me think this was either a complete scam or the greatest deal on the internet? It costs exactly $9 a month. But there is a massive catch. They are aggressively capping this price. Once they hit their next member milestone, the price permanently skyrockets to $50 a month. So as a digital marketer who loves testing new tech, I had to know, is this a cheap cash grab, or is this the actual blueprint to dominating AI video? I paid $50+ for the annual subscription. I went through the entire bootcamp. I looked at the workflows, and in this video, I am giving you an unfiltered look inside. I'm going to show you exactly what they teach and tell you if you need to lock in this $9 price tag before it jumps. Let's get into it. When you first log into the AI Video Bootcamp, you are not hit with a bunch of overwhelming, useless, philosophical theory about the future of AI. What I respect right off the bat is that Daniel Riley has structured this entire curriculum for pure action. Phase 1 immediately dives into the video creation AI toolkit. Most AI courses online are essentially just overpriced glossaries for Midjourney. They marry you to one expensive software, and when that software updates a month later, the course is completely obsolete. This bootcamp takes a tool-agnostic approach. Right away, they introduce you to platforms like Higgsfield.ai, Kling AI, and NanoBanana Pro. They give you a living, breathing tech stack that updates as the industry updates. But let's skip to the absolute holy grail of this entire course. Phase 5, character consistency. Before many beginners found this framework, their workflow was a complete joke. If they wanted an AI marketing persona, they would type something like, cinematic shot of a 30-year-old guy, short brown hair, wearing a black t-shirt, sitting at a desk. And the AI would spit out 4 completely different people. One guy has a beard, one looks 45, one is wearing a gray shirt. You cannot build a recurring YouTube host or a virtual model with that level of guesswork. Phase 5 entirely eliminates the guesswork. They introduce you to advanced workflows using tools like Cdance on the WaveSpeed platform. Instead of generic descriptions, you learn how to establish a permanent visual anchor. You are taught how to lock in facial geometry using specific character reference parameters so that you can generate the exact same face in a coffee shop, driving a car, or standing on a beach. And the best part? They show you how to do it for about 30 cents per generation. They even give you mandatory homework. You have to actively post your character in different scenes to the community to prove you've mastered the skill. You aren't just passively watching videos, you are building tangible assets.
Just ask ChatGPT to...
But here is where the bootcamp shifts from being a cool trick into a literal money printing machine. Let's talk about Phase 6, AI ads and user-generated content. As someone who has spent more than a decade running my online business, I can tell you right now that creating a pretty video does not equal making money. Your video has to convert. The biggest bottleneck in digital marketing is content creation speed. If I need to run a split test on Meta or TikTok, I usually have to hire a UGC creator, wait a week for the video, pay them $300, and just pray the ad works. Phase 6 solves this bottleneck completely. It bridges the gap between AI art and direct response marketing. They provide an actual AI advertisement workflow checklist. It forces you to define your target audience, the client profile, the platform length requirements, and the specific call to action. It teaches you how to take your perfectly consistent AI character and script out a highly profitable ad. You are learning how to build ads that real brands will pay you thousands of dollars for.
Hey everyone, the result.
Let me tell you a secret. You can make avatars like me.
Or this.
To promote your products or start social channels, the possibilities are endless.
And if you are a personal brand, a coach, or a course creator, Phase 9 is going to blow your mind. Phase 9 is all about cloning and automation. They walk you step by step through the exact workflows to build your own AI twin. They show you how to use HeyGen for headshot lip syncing and 11 Labs for cloning your actual voice. Think about the leverage here. You can wake up, write a script, feed it into your tech stack, and have a hyper-realistic clone of yourself shoot a flawless YouTube video while you go to the gym. For $9, you are learning the exact automation paths that save you hundreds of hours on camera. Now, before we talk about the downsides, I have to point out the absolute smartest part of this entire ecosystem, the ultimate ROI hack. Inside the AI Video Bootcamp, you aren't just learning how to make money with client work or YouTube ads, you can actually get paid while you are learning. They have a built-in affiliate program that gives you a massive 50% recurring commission for every single person you refer. Think about the math on that for a second. At $9 a month, you literally only need to share your link with 2 friends or get 2 people to sign up from your own videos, and your membership is completely free. You are instantly at break even. Every referral after that is pure recurring profit while you sit inside the community learning the highest income skill of the decade. And remember how I said the price is about to jump to $50 a month? When it does, your 50% commission jumps right along with it. It turns from a neat little bonus into a serious passive income stream just for documenting your journey and showing people what you are building. It's a complete no-brainer. Now, I promised you an honest review, so let's bring it back to reality. Let's talk about the pros and the cons, because no product is perfect. Starting with the pros. First, the price-to-value ratio is completely absurd. For under 30 cents a day, you're getting insider access to direct response AI strategies that other gurus are currently charging $1,000 for in private masterminds. Second, the community feedback loop. You have over 17,000 creators inside the Skool group. If you render a video and the eyes look a little glitchy, you drop it in the community tab. Within 20 minutes, 3 different power users will tell you the exact parameter you need to tweak to fix it. That level of real-time troubleshooting is an insurance policy against falling behind. But what are the cons? What do you need to watch out for? Number 1, the hidden costs. Yes, the bootcamp is only $9 a month, but you still have to pay for the AI tools to execute the strategies. You are going to need credits for things like HeyGen, 11 Labs, or API costs for seedance. The course teaches you how to do it efficiently, but you need to factor in a small operating budget for the software itself. Number 2, the reality of the learning curve. The sales page says no tech skills required, and that is technically true. You don't need to know how to code. But that does not mean this requires zero effort. Dialing in perfect character consistency takes patience. It takes trial and error. You have to do the homework. If you are looking for a magical button that makes you an AI millionaire overnight without doing any actual work, close this video right now, because this is not for you. So, what is the final verdict from the digital marketing maverick? If you are a content creator, a freelancer, an agency owner, or just someone who wants to build a highly profitable, faceless, automated side hustle this year, the AI Video Bootcamp isn't just worth it. It is absolutely mandatory. The ability to generate high-fidelity, consistent, ad-ready video assets without a camera, without actors, and without a massive budget is the single most valuable marketing skill you can acquire today. But you have to listen to me very carefully right now. When I joined, I locked in the $9 a month rate. As of recording this, they are exactly 11 spots away from their 18,100 member cap. Once those 11 spots are gone, the page will refresh and the price jumps to $50 a month for all new members. If you get in right now, you are grandfathered in at $9 a month for life. You can cancel anytime, meaning your maximum risk to learn how to build a digital agency is literally the price of a fast food meal. I have put a special link right at the top of the description box and pinned it as the top comment. Do not wait on this. Click that link right now. Secure your spot, lock in that $9 price tag before it jumps to $50 for the exact same information. Stop guessing with your prompts. Stop making plastic, fake-looking videos that ruin your brand. Learn the actual frameworks that the top 1% are using. Click the link below, get inside the bootcamp, and I will literally see you inside the community. Go build something great, and I'll catch you in the next one.